Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler Town and Country's check engine light. It's important to remember that simply resetting the light doesn't fix the problem causing it to illuminate. Always diagnose and repair the underlying issue first. This method is a common and effective way to clear the warning after a repair, ensuring your vehicle's computer system is updated and ready for normal operation. Let's get started with the first step. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your Chrysler Town and Country is completely off and in park. Now, let's find your vehicle's 12-volt battery. In most models, it's conveniently located under the hood. You'll need a basic 10mm wrench or a socket set to loosen the battery terminals. Having the right tools makes this simple task even easier and quicker to complete. Now for the actual disconnection. It's crucial to always disconnect the negative battery terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal clamp, then carefully remove the cable and tuck it away from the battery post. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal. This ensures a complete power interruption to your vehicle's computer system, preparing it for the reset. After disconnecting both terminals, wait for a minimum of 15 minutes. This allows the vehicle's computer to fully discharge and reset. When reconnecting, always attach the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. Ensure both clamps are tightened securely to prevent any power interruptions. Finally, start your Chrysler Town and Country. The check engine light should now be off, indicating a successful reset after your repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.